The rider called me. I ordered food, never mind, thank you. Ow. I see. POG. This is what I look like when a lot of motorcycle was like there was engine. But you can see if you drive a car here, maybe you will take 2 hours to get back home. Yeah, a lot of traffic if you're in a car. Yes, you guys are smart using motorcycle. But sometimes we use car too, but very few. Scooter is better. Girl in front sitting like is swagging in the park. Because she wear a skirt, so she cannot sit like normal people sit, you know. Ow! Are you sitting like the girl in front? No. Let me show you guys how I sit. Like this. Ow. The cop cannot crash, bro. Yeah. Oh. In camera, maybe you cannot see how crazy it is, but sit at the back, you know. I know exactly how it feels.